Welcome to Gripo, your powerful multi-cloud Kubernetes platform. Gripo is designed to streamline access to kubectl with a single click, no installation, no configuration. To begin, make sure you have a running cluster. In the dashboard, head over to the cluster section and click on all clusters. Here you will see your running clusters. Choose the cluster you want to connect to and click on the terminal button. A window will pop up. Simply click kubectl. That's it. Your cluster is now connected. No installations, no coding, just one simple click. Let's verify the connection by running a command. Kubectl get nodes. As you can see, it instantly returns the node details. Now let's check the services with kubectl get services. Once again, fast and seamless output, all within your browser. Gripo makes accessing kubectl as easy as it gets. Thanks for watching Gripo.